Hi, Wes Scott from Lifeback Law Firm, and today we're going to talk about a quick breakdown of the petition and bankruptcy schedules right here in Minnesota. I think this is a wonderful blog, and it's very rare that we take a blog and we really dissect the schedules that are associated with bankruptcy filing in Minnesota. What are the actual schedules, right? And of course, we have a petition and we have accompanying statistical documentation. Have you filed before? Are your debts above or below a certain threshold? And then we have schedules A and B, which really talk about property. Schedule C is an exemption schedule. And then Schedule D is about your secured debts. Schedule E is about priority debts, taxes, child support, alimony, things like that. And then Schedule F is about your general unsecured creditors. And there's more. There's more schedules to this. And again, I think this is a wonderful blog right here at Lifeback Law Firm. You don't have to worry about all these schedules because we do this all for you. You know, if you're a non-lawyer, even for a lot of lawyers, bankruptcies are a complicated thing. And there's all kinds of schedules that go into it. And unfortunately, over the years, I've seen all too many people who try to do this themselves, and there's tears, and I cringe when I see it. And I've taken over many, many, many bankruptcy cases in the past 25 to 27 years, but I've kind of stopped doing that. It just became too much work to try and fix something that's so broken that honestly, it would be easier to do it from the outset. And I feel bad for people. They think they want to try and save a dime. In the end, it costs them a lot more. And I've been there. I mean, I remember changing the oil on a go-kart and then stripping I'm like, well, this defeated the purpose, didn't it? I thought I was getting it done cheap, and here it cost me a lot more money. I mean, so I understand that, but this involves your legal rights, and you don't ever want to play around with that. You want to get professionals like Lifeback Law Firm. So when the time is right, when you're ready to get your life back and you treat yourself to Minnesota's most kind, most helpful bankruptcy professionals right here at Lifeback Law Firm, you're going to be so thankful you did.